This week, we're going to make some quick and easy strawberry cream cheese and chocolate bites. So let's get started. So to start off this recipe, we have 3/4 of a cup of these Krizda zero sugar chocolate chips. And we're just going to put those in a microwavable measuring cup here. And then we're going to microwave them 10 to 15 seconds at a time until they're fully melted, so that we can add this chocolate to the bottom of these silicone molds. Now, I used a spoon to do this. Probably much better, easier ways to do this, because we just want a small layer of chocolate at the bottom of the silicone mold. You know, using a piping bag kind of thing would probably be easiest, but I like to do things the difficult way. So if you're enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like these kinds of recipes. Here you can see we've got our chocolate spread out in the silicone molds. Wound up getting 18 out of that 3/4 of a cup of chocolate. So again, we just want a, 1/4 of an inch of chocolate at the bottom. So I'm going to put those in the freezer, and we'll start with the strawberries and cream cheese. I have 15, 16 strawberries here and most of a package of cream cheese. So I diced up the strawberries, and we're going to add them into the cream cheese and start mixing everything together to the consistency that you like. Okay, so got that all mixed up. I left some chunks in there. I didn't want it completely smooth. Now, of course, you could do that in a mixer as well. Now you see the chocolate's frozen here, so we're going to start adding the strawberries and cream cheese in. Again, you just want to put in maybe, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in each cup. Okay, so we've got our cream cheese and strawberry mixture all divided up there. Now I cut up some other strawberries here just to add some full pieces in at the top. So we'll go ahead and add those to each of the cups as well. Okay, so we'll get the last few pieces in there. Now you could add chocolate chips on top too if you wanted, and even adding the strawberries on top is completely optional. But once that's done, we're going to put these in the freezer until they're fully set. And this was actually the next day, so they're fully frozen. Now I would say to enjoy these at their best, it's probably a good idea to take them out of the freezer, where I would suggest you store them. But take them out, 10, 15 minutes before you want to eat them, just to allow the cream cheese to melt a little bit, because they are quite hard when they're frozen. So hopefully you're enjoying these bites videos that I've been doing lately. Just trying to do something different than chaffles every week. And I had lots of strawberries left over to make something different with. So thank you for watching another video with me. Hope you're enjoying them. I really enjoy making these videos for you. So that's it. Quick and simple, tasty bites. Keep on thriving, my friends. We'll see you next week.